boys who ride our bus, and they're here right now, so keep an eye out for them. They're probably in the tampon aisle.
Tampon aisle.
Let's check there.
Got nothing better to do.
Oh, yep, there they are. No, I'm kidding.
Don't get my hopes up.
Ow, hot, 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 hot.
Missy! Hey, what's up?
Don't leave me here. Here, hold this.
I know.
Okay. I'm gonna hop into the baby seat. No, I'm too scared to. It'll get stuck. Scoot your boot.
No, I can't. I'm
hanging at the bottom. Oh gosh, I can't fit.
Are you going to Patriot too?
Yeah.
Attention target guests with porch, please return to the pharmacy. Porch to the pharmacy.
Pharmacy.
Let's see. See, this has 2-ply, but this one has 1-ply,
Take your drink.
and this one.
No, take your drink.
Oh, but this one's on sale.
It went that way. Let's go.
I want ice cream.
Ooh, but this one is soft.
Get some tampons.